How to fix iPhone 15 not charging when plugged in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give your device a fresh start. Restarting can sometimes fix charging issues. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Shutdown. Now, slide the power icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once the phone is completely off, wait a few minutes and then try charging your phone again. Next solution? Go back to Settings. Scroll up and tap Software Update. If an update is available, install the latest version for your device. Likewise, head back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted and confirm the reset. After that, you should force restart your device. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If the problem still isn't fixed, check your charging cable and power adapter. Make sure both the cable and adapter are properly connected and in good condition. No frayed wires or loose connections. By applying these solutions, your charging issue should be resolved.